Buying the Roblox Premium with Paysafecard is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy the Roblox Premium with Paysafecard. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at my Roblox. Now here I simply have to click on this Get Premium. Now after clicking on Get Premium, you will see this page. Here you have to click on Get Premium again. You will be scrolled down to this page. Here you have to select whatever the premium that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this, which is $9.99 per month. So I'm going to click on this subscribe now. Now here it will open up this page. Now here you will be able to see various payment options. So you just simply have to click on this debit card. After clicking on debit card, you will see this sort of page. Let it just load. Here you have to add your email address, your card information from your Paysafecard, and the name of the name from your card, or you can leave it empty, or you can put your name as well. After that, you simply have to click on subscribe, and your Roblox Premium should be bought. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.